There he is, he's having something to eat now. And look at you, you're still fast asleep under that chair. Oh. And who we got here?
I think it's Riley.
Someone's having a cuddle.
Oh, look at it.
And who are you down there? Puppy.
Oh, yeah, we've got one round here. Who have we got round here? Who have we got round here?
Who's that? Who's that puppy?
Hello.
Who's that puppy?
What's wrong with the wonky? That's Kentucky.
Kentucky puppy.
Put that down in. Put that down in. So what is Freddie's kennel's name? That ain't Black Knight, is it? Yeah. Oh, that is Black Knight.
No, Seabreeze.
Seabreeze. Oh, the same as one of mine. I got a Seabreeze.
Oh, with you?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
I thought yours was Ocean Breeze.
Was it?
Yes.
Oh, trust me to get it wrong. Well, that's Breeze, at any rate.
I think that's what he is.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Who's that? Who's Rachel got on there? Is that Riley?
Yes. Quite laid back characters, aren't they?
What did your man say? Because she was coming over here again today.
He was fine. He was fine.
He didn't moan.
No. I mean, he knows
Please yourself what you do.
Yeah, that's right. He's looking forward to him arriving, but he's not worried about it really.
Men
he's a bloke, isn't he?
Yeah. They can be grumpy old buggers sometimes, can't they?
Just watch you ain't got the sound on.
It is.
I'm going. I'm going.